Unlocking future possibilities. Understanding, look ahead. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, look ahead. This phrase is not just about your vision or where your eyes are pointing. It's a metaphorical expression that's used in many different contexts. So, let's explore what it means to look ahead and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English conversations. When we break down the phrase, look ahead, we're combining two words, look and ahead. Literally, to look means to direct your gaze or focus on something, and ahead means in front of you or in the direction that you are facing. So, putting them together, the literal meaning of look ahead is to direct your gaze towards what is in front of you. But, as we'll see, the figurative meaning is where this phrase really becomes interesting. In a figurative sense, when someone says, look ahead, they're often talking about considering the future. It means to think about what is coming next, make plans, or consider the possibilities that lie in front of us in time, not in physical space. For example, if a friend tells you they're trying to look ahead and plan their career, they mean they're thinking about the future steps they need to take professionally. Let's see how this phrase can be used in various scenarios. Personal planning. I'm looking ahead to my vacation next year and starting to save up money now. Business strategy. Our company is looking ahead to the next quarter to anticipate market changes. Advice. You should always look ahead and be prepared for any situation. Reflection and anticipation. After recovering from an illness, I'm just looking ahead to better days. In each case, the phrase is about being forward-thinking and preparing for what the future holds. When learning this phrase, be careful not to confuse it with similar phrases that have different meanings, like looking forward to, which expresses excitement about something in the future, or looking over, which means to review or inspect something. Remember, look ahead is about planning and contemplating future events, not expressing eagerness or reviewing. And there you have it. You now know how to use the phrase, look ahead. Whether you're talking about your personal goals, business plans, or just giving advice, this phrase can add depth to your conversations about the future. We hope this video helps you look ahead in your English language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.